On India's 78th Independence Day, Meghalaya Chief Minister addressed the state honouring freedom fighters including Mahatma Gandhi and local heroes such as U Tirot Singh, Ukyang Nangba and Pa Togan Sangma. Reflecting on the state's progress since 2018, he outlined the Mission 10 initiative aimed at elevating Meghalaya to a top-performing state within a decade. Emphasizing the Meghalaya 2032 vision inspired by the Prime Minister's Viksit Bharat goal, he aspires for Viksit Meghalaya to be a $100 billion economy by 2047 on the 75th anniversary of the statehood.
To the patriots from Meghalaya soil, U Tirot Singh, Ukyang Nangba and Pa Togan Sangma. Occasions like this offer us a chance to reflect on the achievements of the past and renew our resolve for the future.
Southwest Garo Hills Ampati marked India's